Hi, welcome to Jackie Burns Creations. And if you're new, welcome. And hello to all my friends that already belong here. So, it is called Blame It on the Gnome, and I'm DIYing Christmas gnomes. So, I hope you enjoy, and we'll get to it. This is a challenge that's put on by Connie Creative Creations and Robin Buys and DIYs. These are two of my friends, and I just love these ladies. We are good friends, and Connie and I see each other quite often. She lives in Kansas, but comes to Utah a lot because she used to live here, and she comes to see her family, and her and I get together. So please, in my description box, check out their channels, and I really hope you enjoy. Okay, DIY number 1. I needed a little something because I wanted to make a heel, and I keep everything, and I kept this box, and I cut a little piece off. Now I'm taking a napkin apart because I've got this little sled I want to do. And napkins are just great things to Mod Podge. Just cutting a little piece off, and you always have to take the second or third layer off of it or it won't work out right. This little sled I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm putting some pure gold apple barrel paint or folk art paint. It's a Plaid product, which apple barrel is too, and I love my Plaid products. I'm a proud Plaid ambassador. And this gold is so pretty. Well, I have this other little piece of thin foam that was used as packing material. And like I say, I save everything, probably save way too much. And I'm just cutting it to size to fit in this little greenhouse type box that I got from Target. It was in the Target dollar spot, and I think it was $3 or $5. And I used the other styrofoam as higher because I wanted to make a little hill to make the sled look like it's coming down the hill. So I'm just checking it to see if it works. And so now I'm going to, after the paint dried, the gold paint dried, now I'm going to put Mod Podge on for my napkin. You don't need to put a lot of Mod Podge on. The napkins hold pretty well. And I usually use saran wrap to smooth them out, but it's just such a little area. I just tapped it with my fingers. Now I'm putting some Mod Podge on the top of it to seal it in. And I'm using my heat gun to dry it because I'm impatient. Because I decided at the last minute I wanted to do this challenge because I love my gnomies. And I'm using my little finger sander to clean up the edges. Sanding the edges, I don't know who decided that was a good idea, but it's turned out to be a great idea. Because you get such nice clean edges from it. Probably one of the genius crafters on YouTube. I learned so much from the other crafters, it's unbelievable. So the string I took off of it, I didn't feel like stringing it through again, so I'm just tied it in the knots on the ends and putting a little glue on it since it's not going to hang up or anything like that. Now I got these little gnomes that I got off of Amazon, and I'm cutting the strings off the top. Just cleaning up any little threads, and I'm going to glue them onto the sled. I had to hold these quite a while to get them to stick. I think it's because it's fabric. When you have two hard surfaces, it dries much quicker than if you have like a fabric surface and a hard surface. Now I'm moving his beard out of the way because I want to put the rope up like he's hanging onto it. And I put it up there and then just combed his beard down. And I bent their little hats over and glued them down because they were a little bit tall for the top of the little lid that goes on it. And one bends down one way and one bends it down the other way. Now I'm putting trees in here. These are trees I got from Target. There might be a few others I got from Dollar Tree or somewhere else. And I'm putting some holly leaves in there. And it looks like they've been out gathering trees. I didn't really have to glue these down. I just kind of tucked them down in there. They worked really well. I guess I didn't have to put them on a slope on the, looked like a hill, but I thought that was cute. Oh, when I put some of those vase fillers that are white and silver, they're kind of glittery, I put those in there. And I'm just putting a little dab of glue on the edges. Okay, DIY number 2. I'm taking some tumbling tower blocks and gluing them together. I think I used about 5 of them. And I saw this on Pinterest, or something similar on Pinterest, a little bit different. So I'm taking one of the gnomes again, cut that ribbon off. And I actually had my camera turned the wrong way and had to adjust it to make it full screen, so that's why it looks like it's so close. Let's see how he's leaning. Ooh. And some more of those holly leaves. And some little greenery. I think most of this greenery came from Dollar Tree. Hope you can't hear that TV in the background. My husband has it up so loud. And I'm putting some little berries on there. I think I got these at Walmart. I'm not sure. Now, I love collecting old utensils, especially red-handled ones that are wood and faded, or even the Bakelite ones or plastic ones that are old, mid-century and back. And I have this potato masher. I don't use them, I just display them. But I thought this would be so cute on here. And I made a bow and just put it on the handle, and I just put such a little amount of glue on it, I can pop them off after Christmas and just store them. And I'll just keep it on the little Jenga blocks, and it'll be ready for next Christmas. I'm putting a few little white balls in there. Some of that vase filler. Okay, DIY number 3. Now I can't tell which one's my favorite. I think they all came out cute. So these are the water globes that you get at Dollar Tree, but I'm making it a dry globe. I'm putting some of that snow in that you get from Dollar Tree. Not too much, just a little bit. Now I'm getting the base. And I've got this little gnome girl that I've had for a long time. I put a snowflake on her. Oh, gotta pop her off because I need her to move just a little bit. Okay, there she is. And a few trees, one tree, and here's a little tiny sock. And these are some little teeny tiny presents that I got from Target. They're so cute. And a candy cane. I just love these little miniature things, making these little scenes. It's so fun. And I put the lid on and put a piece of ribbon around it. Now here's the reveal. Oh, isn't she cute? I should have done one thing though. I heard that if you take a dryer sheet and you wipe the inside of something, it won't make it so things don't cling in there. So I had forgotten about that. The snow's kind of clinging in there, but it's okay. It looks good. Got crazy there. And here's the little box. And they're sliding down the hills, taking their trees home. I think that came out cute too. And here's the potato masher. Somebody must have used this really serious because it kind of leans. It's heavy metal, so I couldn't straighten it. But looks cute, doesn't it? I put it up on my scale. I should have showed you up there. Oh, there. Look at those glue strings. I need to get off of there. Okay. I think he's adorable. Let me know which one you like the best. It's hard to decide when it comes to gnomes. Well, I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. And I hope everybody has such a peaceful Christmas. And really enjoy yourself, whether you're with families or not. And if you're lonely, go ahead and send me a note. I know what it's like to be lonely. I miss my kids every day of the year. So anyway, help my channel grow. Like and subscribe. Bye.